The Infinity Kappa 60CSX component speakers are often praised for their crisp highs and detailed sound. But before you invest, there are critical downsides you need to know. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down why the Kappa 60CSX might not be the best fit for every car audio build. First, they are extremely power-hungry. The 60CSX speakers are rated for a high RMS wattage, meaning they require a strong aftermarket amplifier to perform properly. If you plan to run them off a factory head unit or a weak amp, you'll never hear their full potential, and they'll sound flat and lifeless. Second, they can be harsh at higher volumes. While the tweeters produce crystal clear highs, they can easily become overly bright or even piercing if not properly tuned. Without careful EQ adjustments, listening fatigue becomes a real problem on longer drives. Third, mid-bass performance is underwhelming. Despite a well-built woofer cone, the Kappa 60CSX struggles to deliver deep, punchy mid-bass without perfect enclosure, sealing, and tuning. If you're expecting strong, impactful mid-range, these speakers may leave you disappointed unless heavily fine-tuned. Fourth, installation can be tricky. The oversized woofer baskets and large tweeter housing can cause fitment issues in many factory door locations. In some cases, custom mounting brackets or minor door modifications are needed, adding time, cost, and complexity to the install. Fifth, they're expensive for the real-world performance. While Infinity has built a premium image around the Kappa line, brands like Focal, Morel, and even Hertz now offer component sets with smoother sound, better balance, and easier integration, often for the same or slightly higher price. Sixth, durability under tough conditions is questionable. While the materials are quality on paper, some users have reported issues with tweeter failures, distorted sound over time, or woofer fatigue in vehicles exposed to extreme heat or heavy daily use. In conclusion, while the Infinity Kappa 60CSX can sound amazing when perfectly powered, tuned, and installed, hidden challenges in power demand, harshness, mid-bass weakness, and installation complexity make them a risky choice for many users. Know what you're getting into before you commit. For more professional car audio reviews and honest buying advice, subscribe to Auto and Moto.